Why is the door locked?
So Sebastian, you think you can wake up in the morning and leave the house without giving me money for food? If you want to go to work, give me money for food.
Why do you like issues? I already told you we have not been paid our salary. And the only money I have at hand is to settle the mechanic so we can be mobile again.
Wait. So that car, that your jalopy, that gura is more important than I am. No, tell me, all the car. Wait, that jalopy, that gura kibu. So all the important.
You want the truth?
Yes, Sebastian. Tell me the truth. That car or your wife?
That car. Yes. What else are you good at? What do you bring to the table? Aside lying down all day watching TV and consuming all the food in this house. And then at night you snore away your life. Gineka. You are just not useful for anything. Yet you nag and pressure my life. Let me open the door and go to work.
If you finish running your mouth like that, you give me money for food.
Name that key. Name that!
You will leave your house for me to come and eat. Now your heart is food. Look at the time a married man is coming back to his house. Abi is sneaking back to his house. Are you done running? No, are you done running? I did not sleep because I want to give you war. Shege Banza, that is why I'm waiting for you. I'm here to give you Shege Banza. Are you done running? What, Anna?
What have I done to you? Why is it that a man will work all day long and want to come back to a warm bed and a good meal, and you will come with your nagging? That's why I left the bedroom for you, because I tried and came to the living room to lie down. Yet you found me out.
What's a good meal? So you expected me to cook? Cook with what? No, answer me. Cook with what? You ran out in the morning. Did you give me money? No, answer me. Did you give me money? I'm talking about sleeping, my friend. I've declared war. Oh, Gunangwa. Let's do it. Welcome back. War! Let's do it. Wake up.
Chineke, if you go in here, if you go the thing in my life, if you are the mafia, or the phone man.
So you're saying I'm a mad woman? Yes, I'm a very mad person. The one that is raving mad, that is walking. The only thing that is meant for me now is to roam around the streets. Wake up! War! Then, oh yeah, come on. Oh yeah, let's get mad together. Wake up! You will not sleep, oh. You will not sleep, oh. You get him and stand up, oh. That's it.
Why? Are you a witch?
Yes.
Holy Ghost fire!
Fire!
Please give me peace.
I'm talking to you. Am I not talking to you? Am I not talking to you? Am I not talking to you?
And I cried and shouted.
You want to go and meet Okoya? Okoya, you want to go and meet her? Let's watch the car. Let's watch the car now. Let's watch the car now. Shebi, you want to go and say, let me also watch you. Let me watch you so you go and see her.
My Savior, and I heard a voice. You promised me.
I'm sleeping, oh. I'm sleeping. I want to sleep.
What do you want me to do right now?
Sandra, you're giving your husband a bad time. Yes, we are the ones who chase our men away from us.
Nika, don't tell me anything about bad times because you're not the one in my shoes. If you're the one in my shoes, you will know how painful it is. My prayer is that one day God will disgrace my husband and that his side chick.
Sandra, how can God disgrace someone who goes out in the morning to his working place? I think these are all illusion in your head. Yes.
Illusion in my head.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I accept. You will stay here and you will see it. God will disgrace both of them. Because it's that side chick that is making my husband not to desire my body again. Makachuku.
You think so? Don't you think it's your attitude that makes him not to find you attractive anymore?
Chikwa, hold up. What is happening?
I'm telling you the truth.
No, Nika, what is happening? Because today, 1 second you're with me, the next minute you're with my husband. What is happening?
I have to tell you the truth now. Nothing but the truth.
What truth are you telling me? Wait, Nika. Are you the side chick?
What do you mean?
What I mean is that it's like you're the side chick. I'm here pursuing something that is outside. I don't know the thing is inside the house here.
Are you okay?
I am okay.
I don't think you are.
If you don't know what to say, shut your mouth up, pocket it inside your bag, or you get out of my house.
Are you asking me out?
I've told you.
You just calm down and stop nagging. Yes, you have to stop nagging. Yes, you're nagging too much.
Prayers, stop pushing me away from you. Take it all me more.
Tabasi, pick my call. Tabasi, you are looking for my trouble now. Pick my call, oh.
Love, give me peace. Oh, the only thing I want from you.
Yes. You're still here. This is why your face is like this. What happened?
Is it not Sebastian?
Zofa.
Is it not Sebastian? No, why will he off his phone? If not that he has gone to see that side chick of his. Why will he off his phone? Poor, you know that you're poor, you're still pursuing woman. How?
Did he tell you he went to see a side chick?
Must he tell me? Must he tell me? His actions are already saying it. Why will Sebastian off his phone now? Somebody that went to work, why will he off your phone?
Don't you think his battery is flat? Or maybe he's busy at the office?
Which flat? His battery is not flat. I'm sure that Sebastian off his phone.
Sandra,
because I called him. He offed his phone and I called the office. They said he came in and hurriedly left. Hurriedly left to where? If not side chick, maybe that girl has called him to bring money. He want to go and spend the whole money he made today on that girl.
Calm down. I don't want to say anything, no. Before you chase me out again. I brought market for you. Patronize me, show up now.
I hope it's not China.
China, okay. This is talking now. Don't sell nonsense. You love this one. Trust me.
This one gown now be waiting.
This gown.
If you not bring all this sexy gown, let me know if it's what Sebastian will see and come back.
You have changed. What has come over you? You are no longer the person I used to know. In it is it,
Who knows where she's coming from? Hey! Whoever did this to my daughter, it shall never be well with you. Hey! The last time I checked, you left your husband to rot in the place. Why are you calling him?
Mama, she just...
Sandra, what is it? Are you okay?
Mama, this headache, I'm feeling constant headache and... My body's paining me.
It's you. Sandra, tell me, who is responsible for your pregnancy?
Mama, so that Netiti cannot be pregnant too. Me, I'm not pregnant. Now. Does one get pregnant by drinking a cup of water?
Sandra, do you think I am a child? Eh? Who is responsible?
Mama, I'm not pregnant now.
You're not pregnant. You're not pregnant. Okay, we shall find out. Akwidirime.
Pregnant too.
Right now, do you want me to stay at home? All true, checking your name. And your girl is what you love more. All because of jealousy from you. All because of insecurity. All because of your nagging. What do you want me to do? I know. Am I a king? I'm a king. Am I a king in making? I'm a king. Someone tell me the truth. I'm a king. I want to know the truth. I'm a king. I want to know the truth.
No! Hey!
No.
You're welcome.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Hi.
Honestly, today is a wonderful day in Ozara Kingdom. Ozara Kwenu?
Yeah.
Kwenu?
Yeah.
Rienu?
Yeah.
Nwono?
Yeah.
The gods are wise. They have decreed that today Ozara Kingdom will have a true king.
Oh, God.
Of Wehaibia. So I'm
That will
here.
never happen. That will never happen.
Shut up! Here to fulfill that task that my dad couldn't fulfill. Yes. You want to be the king goat. And you... Hey, shut up!
What have you done? Shut up!
Hey!
And you, get up! What are you doing here? And let people get up! If I blow your fucking brain off! Get out! 1! I give you 3 chances and I'll blow. What have you done? 1, 2, 3. What are you guys doing there? I asked you guys to leave my compound. Right? Out of my compound. You punk. Useless idiots. The throne is mine. The fucking throne is mine.
This is my fucking throne. That is if you make it out of jail.
You shut up.
I'll make sure that you rot in jail.
Shut up, you
murderer. You will rot in jail. I'll make sure of that.
My fucking throne. I'm not letting my throne up. I'm not letting my throne up. No. I'm not letting my throne up. I'm saying throne is fucking mine. This throne is fucking mine.
You have to bring down the gun.
This throne is mine.
Bring down the gun.
This throne is mine.
Put it down.
This throne is mine. No, my throne. This is my throne.
So we can settle this. Let's just settle this amicably. Bring it down.
Just go. What's up? You are under arrest for murder, possession of firearm, and other illegal activities. You have the right to remain silent. For whatever you say or do here will be used against you at the law courts. And you have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, the state will provide one for you. Now move it. Please take him away. Move, murderer. Take him out of here. I will be back. You are not coming back. I will be back. You are not coming back. Gold diggers and deceptive fools. Take him away. I will be back. I will be back. I will be. Take him away. I will make sure you're not in jail. I will be back. I promise you I will be back. I, Prince Chidok, I will be back. Listen. What? What is the problem, Ono?
No, nothing. Wait. Just calm down, my son. Huh? Who are you, please?
My name is Douglas. I'm Sebastian's friend. What is this about?
My son, it is important you answer this question. Or them back. Yeah?
What question, Ono?
Please, answer him. How did you get this mark on your hands?
It's like a birthmark. It's been there since I was born. What is the problem, Ono?
Oh, calm down, calm down. Please, who is your mother?
My mother.
Yes, what is your mother's name?
My mother's name? My mother's name is Chukwu Somi Echaka. What is this about? Can someone speak to me?
Hey!
What is happening, Ono?
Calm down.
I want you to say anything at all, Mama. Why didn't you say anything all these years?
Why do you want to go? I mean, no one is disturbing you. And my mother holds you with high esteem. So please stay back. Don't go.
My prince, I am pregnant.
Really? Why did you say something since? Why did you tell me? This is the reason you should not go. Please stay back, my love. Stay back.
My prince, that would be dangerous. Staying in a palace is not safe for me. As soon as my pregnancy starts to show, all hell might break loose.
And this palace is big enough to contain any hell. Like every of it.
My prince!
Relax. I will not let anything bad happen to you. Moreover, I will recommend that no maid duties is given to you anymore. Please stay back, my love. Don't go. Please stay back.
What are you going?
Sorry, my prince.
And where are you going in such a hurry?
My prince, I want to go and get something for the king.
I have noticed a lot of things going on in this palace, but I'm not bothered. It should be in case if anything happened to me and my husband. Please take care of my son, Sebastian. I beg you. And I know you are pregnant for my husband. I'm not coming after you. All I ask is for you to take care of my son. I beg you, please.
Yes, my princess.
Where's Sebastian? Where's Sebastian? Where?
Leave the boy alone!
Where's Sebastian?
I thought there was no need.
I thought there was no need. And I've been growing up thinking Papa was my biological father. Wait, Mama, does he even know that he's not my father?
Yes, he knows. I only wanted to give you a home.
He knows. Wanted to give me a home. Mama, all this while, you couldn't say anything. It's not acceptable.
Mrs. J, you have to calm down. Calm down.
This is the most beautiful opportunity. A wonderful opportunity for us to claim what rightfully belongs to us. Our dynasty.
Mother!
Yes?
What are you even made of? Are you sure you have blood flowing through your veins?
Mm-hmm.
My brother killed someone and you're supporting him. Mother, are you not supposed to be the custodian of culture and tradition? What's wrong with you?
Your brother did the right thing. Unlike some cowards like you. I know why you're supporting me. Oh, you think I don't know? You think I'll never find out you were in love with him and you were thinking he's going to make you his miserable queen. Unfortunately, he is dead and gone. Below the ground.
No! No! Mrs. Jane, you have to calm down. Shut up! Don't you tell me to calm down. Take it easy.
Calm down.
Shut up! Shut up! You know what? Just leave this place. Get out of this place. I said out! Sandra, just look at where your stubbornness has landed you. Eh? Sandra, no why you're Sandra Ju. Sandra now, really. Look at it. Look at your life. Look at you now. Hi.
I'm sorry. If you keep blaming me like this, what do you want me to do? I know I messed up. I should have listened to you. Mama, because don't know.
Sandra, I never raised you this way. I did not raise you this way. I don't know where you got that greed from. Oh God, Chicho, you know, look at your life. Look at how you ended your life. Ah, Chinekenda.
I don't know that we end up like this. Let you come out to come mad. I don't know that we end up like this now. Mama, stop blaming me. I didn't know that we end up like this. Mama, I want you to do something for me.
What?
Help me and call my friend Neka to come.
Hi! Hi!
Neka lezienu. Sandra Netieti. Sandra Netieti is HIV positive. I'm sorry. If I had listened to you, I wouldn't be going through this.
Sandra, I didn't know that your husband had changed like this. I mean, he used to worship you now.
The Sebastian you used to know is not the same Sebastian. I am suspecting that my husband is cheating on me. Yes.
No, not Sebastian. Okay? Because we all know he loves you. And he used to spend on you back then in school. Or have you forgotten?
What did you say?
Back then in school.
Thank you. Back then in school. This same clothes you're wearing now, were you wearing it back then in school? The Sebastian you're seeing now is not the Sebastian of yesterday. My husband has changed. Neka, my instinct has never failed me and will not start failing me today. I am sure, in fact, I'm convinced that that man is having an affair with another woman.
This is serious. So what are you going to do? Because I know any man that doesn't spend on his wife has a girlfriend.
Who cares?
You
But
don't?
does it look like I care? I don't care. Because I know that no woman in her right senses will fall for that my husband.
Stop it.
It's not funny. It's not funny. You fall for my husband with that his yellow picker.
My dear, forget. You can't tell, my dear. Because girls are very desperate now. Extremely desperate.
Their desperado cannot move them to Sebastian.
Have
Because Sebastian is too poor.
Come on, stop now.
You know girls of this, they know at this now. They like flashy things. My husband cannot provide it for them.
Actually.
Kuku, if he wants, we'll break up now. Sure, divorce is not fun now. Either he leaves or I leave. It's not a do or die affair marriage.
Iron lady. I trust you. Let me drink my cookie, please.
Drink, Jerry. Sorry, I did not buy you biscuits.
I still owe you.
Don't worry, next time I'll buy you biscuits.
Alright, I'm okay with this one.
What nonsense are you talking? How can you be like that stupid? Oh, so police called you film, and the next thing you jump into the bus and you're home. Who is going to bail your husband?
Isabel. So you want me to jump the bus and enter inside bush? What are you even talking about? Is it that you have not been listening to what I said inside? Mama, I said the police caught my husband that his lover died in the hotel room. Now hotel room, and you want me to go and bail him? You should be thanking God for me now that he got what he deserved.
Did the police tell you that? Police, when they called you, did they tell you that?
Mama, I don't have uburu okay now. Add him sharp. I would add him sharp. Immediately they called me on phone and said, are you the husband and wife to this person? Immediately, calculate my nose so close wire. Man or Yemen. I know that was what happened now.
Sandra. I never raised you this way. Sandra, do you know that you are very stupid? Look at you. So because you are suspecting your husband of cheating, that's why you want to crucify him. In fact, you've crucified him.
You're insulting me. You're insulting me.
My friend, just go back and go and bail your husband. Or say insulting.
Ma?
Or you make insult.
I should go and bail him. Mama, let me tell you something. Hi. Sandra does not like insult. Sandra came back to her father's house to enjoy, to be pampered. I don't like insult though. I came here to rest. I did not come here to all these things to be hearing all this. If you want to go and bail somebody, go to the police station and bail him there.
Look at my Nna ha agwana gị ị na-eto afọ nwanyị ihe gị na ajọ ọhịa karụ ị ga-enwetarịrị ya nsogbu adịghị.
It's okay. I've forgiven you, but I knew it wouldn't end there. It's okay. It's not the end of your life.
Have you heard about my husband?
Yes. I mean, your ex-husband, right? I know he's dead. Yes. But if you were to be by his side, he wouldn't have died.
Nika, what would I have done? Would I have prevented them from killing him? I wouldn't have stopped the enemy's bullets now.
No. But God has a way of revealing the future to helpmates. It's okay, Ozugo.
You should go die now.
You will not die. I am here for you. Mama is also here for you too. It's okay. It's not the end of the life.
Sandra.
It's okay. It's okay. I am here. Stop eating yourself.
How is that our business? Of course, you know that police are the ones in charge of your son's case. We are just witnesses.
Now you get the point. You and the others, name your price. Do not appear in court.
What? I hope you know the gravity of your son's offense. I hope you know the sacrilege your son has committed. That is unforgivable. Eh? See, the best thing for you and your family is to leave this palace. Yes.
What? That is impossible. My husband built this palace. We go nowhere. Get it into your head.
Ichioke, that woman has no atom of shame at all. Her son does not need to step his feet in this kingdom. Let us concentrate on our new prince. Once we make him king, everybody will rest. Don't let that woman get to you. We don't have anything to do with that family.
Ijie, and that is exactly what we are going to do.
Nothing more.
Or if I get hi. As no able to also. Obabo only and also.
Our friends can be aware.
Okay.
So what to clear.
You want also we money joke. Your Majesty, honestly, what you are suggesting is quite difficult. Very difficult.
Ichie, nobody is sure he has royal blood flowing in him.
He has the royal blood in his vein. Yes, the gods are wise, Your Majesty. Even though he is not the true heir, I know they will provide for our kingdom.
Ichie, my son is king.
But he's in jail for murder.
Really? And you think I will sit back here and watch my son rot in jail? No. My son is coming back. He is coming back for his throne. Not you or anyone can stop him from taking what rightfully belongs to him.
He's all right.
Mama, I say we drop this issue of Chidoka taking over the throne.
Can you even listen to yourself? Did you just hear what you said? Can't you see everything is working together for our good? Mother is the rightful heir to the throne.
Mother, he is a murderer. Let him serve out the term for the crime he committed.
You shut up and stop being selfish here. Stop it! Oh! I almost forgot. It's about your father's company, right? You are afraid he's coming to take that away from you, right?
Mother, that is not the point. The point is you all should stop this madness.
Jane, you should stop this madness. I'm ready to give your brother the account. Yes, Chidoka. Yes, Chidoka. He is on his way back as we speak right now.
The queen herself said that to me, that her son, Prince Chidoka, has been let off the hook. I do not know how it was pulled off. But we're in trouble. If that young man ever returned to this kingdom, I know why he's born so good.
You ask questions. You already know the answer to that. He cannot be allowed to return.
How? On his way as I speak to you now, he is on his way as I'm talking to you now. You know, I say, he will not return.
Of course, he should be on his way. But nothing. Our position remains unshaken. Yes. He cannot be allowed to step his feet in this kingdom. No matter the game Afara family is playing, we must be on top of them.
How do you mean? Wagodim? How?
How?
Come.
Cheers.
Cheers, my
To a
queen.
better future.
To a better future. My queen, thank you so much. I didn't know it was going to be that easy.
Really?
Yes.
Dearie, everything is possible as a matter of cash.
Oh, yes.
You know you're going to make a wonderful queen for my son.
Your Majesty.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me this hasn't crossed your mind all this while. A wise king for my son. Cheers again.
Cheers, my queen.
So beautiful.
Thank you.
Classy.
Listen, I want a clean job. Do you understand? Good. Inform me when you're done. Hello? Are they there yet? Okay, good. I'll be there shortly.
There was a crime committed, a crime committed. Something is wrong.
Fucking old crazy men. Think they can fucking silence me. Think I wasted all my fucking watching movies, right? Oh god. These guys. He's crazy now. He's I can fuck everyone up. I'm going to get everyone out. Huh? Who is that idiot? Who blocked this road? Who blocked this fucking... Ah!
Why is he not here? Huh? Hello? Hello? What? What?
Helen, you and I know that there is no way Prince Chidoka can ask you to be his bride. Besides, he is not the next king.
I know you speak out of jealousy. Jealousy, 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 jealousy.
Look at who he's talking about jealousy. Just look at you and I know that I have a man who already...
Hey, chuka for my eye. No, chuka for my eye now. Leave me. I know. I know, Madam Jealousy.
Chidoka's
Madam
wife.
Jealousy, I know.
Keep dreaming, my dear friend. Keep dreaming. Wake up from your dream. You will never be the bride.
Excuse me. I know you are speaking out of... Excuse me. Hello? Yes? What? No! Yeah!
What was that?
Yeah!
What happened?
I'm finished!
Please!
Stop!
Helen, stop. Talk to me. Who was that? Please talk to me. Who was that?
Prince! My life! The prince is dead.
Come.
Why me? Why me?
Helen, stop.
Let me to stop! I was close. I was so close to becoming the queen of this kingdom.
Helen, please, can you stop lamenting? Akudo, come back here. Akudo, come back here. Where do you think you're going? Simple thing, just for you to call the firewood that we used to cook. It's too hard for you. Then you are trying to go out.
Mama, what is it? Do you want to kill me with work in this house? Pity me, Kwan.
Did I hear you say pity you? Pity you for what? Are we not going to eat from the same pot? No, answer me!
So, because of that, I should die in this house. Every little thing, I could do this, I could do that. Mama, because I don't want all this. Because I don't alone.
Hey! So you're running out, Okay. Don't worry. Just go and come back. We'll meet you here. Oh, go there. Give for that go. Go and come back. I'm waiting for you. You're going to want to know. Hey! Someone go there. Hey! Somebody here. Go and come back.
No. No, are you okay? No, are you okay? No. Oh my God. Are you okay? But why are you not looking now? Why are you not looking where you're going now? What nonsense? Sorry. Come.
Leave me alone.
You go now. Come, let me take you to the hospital, Dikeh.
My leg.
Sorry. Let me take you to the hospital now. Sorry. You've been looking where you're going now. Huh? Sorry.
Akudo. Okay, what's wrong? Are you all right?
Yes, Mama, I'm fine. Do I look trouble?
Why didn't you ask when I was calling?
Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
Okay, no problem. So you're welcome, my son. You're welcome.
Akudo, how are you?
Good afternoon.
My son, please have a seat. Huh?
Thank you.
You're welcome, my son.
So, how are you, Akudo? I hope you are getting better.
Yes, I'm better. I'll be taking my drugs.
That's good. Mama, please can I see you 1 minute?
Oh, sure, my son, please. Sure.
Thank you.
Nah, God bless you, my son.
Thank you.
May God keep on blessing you for me.
Thank you so
Hey!
much. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, my son.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey.
Akudo, do take care of yourself, okay? Please heal, okay? I'll see you guys some other time. I have to run along.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
Nah.
Thank you so much, alright?
Go see you through.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Mama, this one you're smelling, I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking? Eh?
Did he give you money?
Money what? Hey! We mention it when on close this your mouth, eh? Hey. You see, Akudo.
Mama.
I'm going out now. Your food is on the table. Make sure you take your drugs after eating.
I will, Mama.
Try to do so.
I will.
I'll be on my way now.
Thank you.
Alright. Yourself, okay?
Bye.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Here. Greetings in the chair.
God of my praise.
Greetings in the chair.
This is my mother. You can speak to your words.
Dikeh, I am sorry for not reaching out to you all these years. And I am also sorry for not bringing your son here to you on time.
My fellow elders, as Nobona may had we have forgiven you. Just stand up.
Thank you, Bishop.
Yes. I think this is also, but the main purpose of this very meeting is for us to get a date for your son's coronation. Or if I back up. So, even again, please go and take your seat so that we all agree on a date. Thank you, Bishop.
Thank you,
No. Thank you. No. Oh yeah. Everything is set for your coronation. In a matter of days now, we'll present you to the people as tradition demands.
You're right, I think we are missing something here. Yes.
And what is that?
The bride, of course.
Oh, you are right.
Oh no.
According to our tradition and custom,
yes,
he must present a bride before we take him to Imodi. A bride that will lead the kingdom with him.
That's it.
That's a good one.
That's our tradition.
But you know we will not forget such a thing now. We're only trying to put one or two things.
Okay.
My prince, do you have anyone in mind?
The smile says it all.
Yes. It's alright. It's alright.
Okay, boom.
was a crime committed, a crime committed. Something is wrong. People are fake, but we tell us the truth. When you get pussy as your boy, I'm a king. Am I a king? Yo, I'm a king. Am I a king? In making, I'm a king. Someone tell me the truth. I'm a king. I want to know the truth.